Hey, Alice.
Hello, Ann.
We're back in your kitchen.
We're back in the kitchen. I know you guys have seen it a million times, but we're going to try to do it up close and personal.
Okay.
And point out maybe some new things that you haven't seen before.
All right.
Because there's always new things.
Always.
So, first thing I got to show you is I bought this at Laney's, so you got to see these.
Okay.
Okay. So good. So Laney bought these from, I think she was in Pennsylvania. They smell yummy.
Yes.
Oh, they're so, and I put them on an old redware plate. So they kind of, kind of bring in the theme of the season.
Yes.
But then it's like, oh, I want to eat one.
I want to eat one.
So we put that way over here. way over here. So we'll start in this corner.
Okay.
So just a little vintage. I don't do vintage, but this must have spoken to me at some point. And so, it went there. And then we have the bread and the cookies. And then over here, I just have this little pumpkin display, and this was done by Mark Lauer.
Oh.
And I just love it, and I have it out all the time. He did this on an old book plate.
Wow.
It says, "Look to this day, for it is life," and I love that.
Beautiful.
Yeah. So now we're going to move to the blue cupboard.
Wait.
Oh, never mind. I'm hurrying. Ian's looking.
Don't hurry me.
Oh, don't hurry. I'm sorry. I look at this stuff every day, so I'm like,
I know you do, but like that bowl, I love that bowl.
I know. I've got redware, tree. This is why. Do I need to go to Walker tomorrow? This is my dilemma.
This is your dilemma.
This is my dilemma.
Because if you go to Walker,
to go,
yeah,
but we'll see.
Well,
we're going on an old house tour in Hingham on Sunday.
Fine.
So it's some anniversary, and the 6 homes that they have for tour were all built before 1774.
Really?
That's why I'm very excited about it.
I'm going to look this up. Are there still tickets?
I'm sure there are.
Really?
I'm sure there are. It's their 98th home tour. And Hingham's gorgeous. Have you been to Hingham?
I have.
Oh, it's the most beautiful town. And it's near the water. It's gorgeous. But they haven't had it. When the pandemic came, they sort of didn't do it.
Oh.
And sometimes they'll do one at Christmas. But this one has those old homes. So that's my dilemma. Do I do both things and make myself crazy? Do I relax tomorrow and just... So that's my dilemma.
I have so much to do. I shouldn't even go to Walker tomorrow or Hingham, but now I want to do both.
I know, and I haven't been... Wes and I, when we were... it was the weekend after Labor Day. We decided to go over to Sandwich.
Okay.
Because the traffic's a little bit better. And, of course, we bought something, which I'll show you later. And we toured 2 old homes, and it was so much fun. I can't get enough of them. I don't know what it is.
I know.
So luckily, Wes goes along for the ride. He enjoys it too.
Sure.
But I really enjoy it.
Right. I'm going to look it up.
Yeah, look it up.
I'm going to look it up. Okay.
All right. So
what else do we have
now we can move over here.
Yes.
So this cupboard here is new since probably the last video. I probably had it in the front closet for a year and a half.
Oh my.
Before I decided where I wanted it to go.
Right.
So I thought, well, maybe the bathroom, maybe the thing is I had to decide to part with the other piece on top.
Right.
And I wasn't quite ready, and then I was.
Okay.
So this just has paperwork and stuff because the other piece had drawers and I had all my warranty information, so that's why that's closed. But I'm bringing the blue.
Yeah.
I think I got that at Laney's. A little bit of bittersweet.
Yep.
That orange.
Yep.
And then the blue. Blue and orange, they go together because they're complementary colors on the color wheel.
Yes.
So that's why you like them together.
Yes.
And a little, again, blue with the orange towel, a little bit of Halloween, all the different color woods. Mm-hmm. It just all these colors just go together so well.
Beautiful.
It just kind of, it's fall-like already.
Right.
So this apothecary Oh, Anne's not ready yet. That's all right.
Well, I just had to
Well,
look
I
at
do
the
have
stoneware.
I do. This is actually a new piece. It had an issue, a little tiny hole, but it was so beautiful, I did buy it.
Wow.
And then I think something came out of here.
Oh,
And you know what I was saying to Jan? I need to have like, ooh, I got to keep stuff. I should have a friends only sale
that's a good idea.
at my house at some point.
Yes, because I'm just thinking, hey.
Well, you know,
yeah,
and know my things go to good
yeah,
use.
yeah.
So I think I'm going to do that
Yeah.
at some point.
I think so.
And we'll shop. We'll have some drinks. You can have water.
Yeah.
We can have, if you tell me a carnivore thing, I can certainly do that and shop.
It would be fun.
Wouldn't that be fun?
That would be so fun.
So I've been thinking about that.
I love the idea. I love this little pumpkin.
So this I got from Nancy Lindbergh, I think. I think I bought it from her a number of years ago.
Okay.
You know Nancy at Primitive Goods.
Oh,
She's
yeah.
upstairs
Oh, okay.
with Jan up there.
Right, okay.
Nancy, well, now she's married. She's Nancy Nelson? I think she's Nancy Nelson. But yeah, I think I got that from her.
Cute.
This I got from Judy Coffee years ago. She used to have a shop in Holliston.
Wow.
But I just love it. It's also so versatile. You could hang it on the wall.
Yeah.
That's why I was going to potentially hang it between my two mirrors upstairs.
Oh,
but
yeah.
I didn't. It would fit.
Yeah.
But I think this is a better option because I can put things in, then I can open the door, and it's a better display piece.
Right. Makes sense.
So this apothecary was actually upstairs in my my bedroom.
Oh, yeah.
And I'm trying to think, what was here? Oh, I know I had to move this because
You
I
had
bought
a slant
something
box.
yeah, a little
yes,
green one.
A little
well,
green
that's
one.
in another room.
Okay.
But I bought another box, so this one had to come down, which meant the green thing had to go someplace else.
Right.
But I really like this because I hate my husband's junk all over. So I
Right.
go, put it in the drawer.
Yep.
Put all your stuff in there.
Yeah.
We don't want to see it. We have phones.
Uh-huh.
So, it is useful. I got my, it's all good.
That's
and
wonderful.
a nice little surface.
That's wonderful.
So this I got from Sandy at my store. Sandy who has the farmhouse?
Yes.
So
Oh, that's
how
cute.
cute is he?
That's cute.
Again, so we have the greens and the browns. All right, let's see. Oh, did you see my sunflowers? Oh, I didn't dry them. So we were in Plymouth, and we're walking by the shop, and he had a basket with all the drieds in it.
Oh.
So I go in and I go, can I buy these? He goes, well, they're not for sale. I go, oh. He goes, unless you buy the basket. I said, well, how much is the basket? $20. I go, sold. He cut them, he dried them. Sold, thank you. So I kept these and sold the basket. And this, I think, is similar maybe to what I've done in past years. The lights, usually I have them set to go on at 4 o'clock, so they're a little dull. And there's no real things here, but, this is fine. I do the same thing every year. And then I tuck this bittersweet in because I think it's so real looking. And I think I got these from Jan last year at the store because we're going to go to Jan's house, right?
Yes, we're going to Jan's house this year.
Wait.
Yes.
And she's going to maybe do a craft.
I know it. I know it.
Fun.
I know.
And this guy's a new one, so I do have my old lanterns. But these are hard to find, and they can be really, really, really pricey. But so I got 3, and I'm good with that. And these are my, I love these. I got them at Walker.
I know.
See, that's
Those
why
are
I'm
the
afraid to
best.
go.
I know.
Because I can't do that this year. But it is what it is.
Oh.
And I just did touches of touches of orange.
Touches of orange.
Everywhere.
So much
Again,
for they're not in the house.
Not real.
Yeah.
And then I love the look of this, how primitive and, I don't know, earthy it looks. Love that. And then these, I think we got from your
Yes.
meet and greet from
Yes.
Bonnie
Yes.
last year.
Yep.
So Bonnie, you're in the kitchen.
Yep.
What else? Nothing real. Oh, just little bittersweet, little touches. Again, artificial, but they look really real. I love these.
Yeah.
Might
they
have
look
got
real.
them. Did I get them at Laney's? I don't remember. And then we just kind of go along. Oh, I have my little tree, which I love. So this little tree stays up a lot of the year.
Wait a
So,
minute. Wait a
oh,
minute, Alice.
okay. I'm okay.
Let me take
Oh,
it in.
okay. Do you see you'll see blue, mustard, orange,
Uh-huh.
wood?
Yes.
I love it all.
Yes.
I
All
love,
mixed
love,
together.
love
Like,
it.
you can't just walk right by this and not think I'm going to take it in.
No, I
mean,
want you to enjoy it. I
of
just
course you
see
do.
it. You know, I don't. I see it, but I don't see it.
I know.
And
I
I've
know.
probably rearranged things many, many times
Yes.
here. Again,
It would be like super fun to go into each other's houses and rearrange, wouldn't it?
or just like take everything off.
Yeah.
And maybe show people how we do.
Right.
I don't have, it's just random.
Yeah.
I just say, oh, I need height. I need this. Where's this?
Yeah.
I don't
just
know.
putz.
It's just
I
putz.
putz.
We putz.
Yeah, we putz.
And we know what that means. Yeah.
We do.
So again, it's funny now that I'm going around and you're really highlighting things.
Yeah.
I'm looking at my
Yes. Blues and oranges.
and oranges, thinking I didn't really have. Oh, look.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I should probably pull that out and highlight that.
Mm-hmm.
See, I don't. There's so much. I just don't.
I know.
You see it with a new eye.
Yes.
And there's my little feather tree,
Oh,
which I
that
love.
looks cute with those little goobers on it.
I know.
Look at that little thing. Oh my gosh. How
So this
cute.
stays out like obviously Christmas.
Uh-huh.
Then I think I don't know if I have snowmen, maybe not, but then it's Valentine's Day.
Right.
And then the next thing is probably maybe Easter.
Okay.
And then what else do I have? Oh, any of the like Labor Day or or 4th of July with
yeah.
red, white,
Americana
and blue.
stuff.
Yeah, Americana. And then it's this and then. So most of the time it is here when not it's upstairs.
Right.
So let me see. Okay, so we're just moving over here a little bit. We don't have a whole lot. Just touches to say, yeah, it's fall here in New England. I did bring these guys out. I know it's way too early, but
No, it's okay.
I want them all out at once
Yes.
so I can enjoy them all and not
Yes.
just for one day.
Oh, I love them.
And then this is a Valancourt.
Oh, okay.
And I'm going to try to go to their open house that they have. I think it's in, I don't know if it's in December.
Oh,
I can
okay.
get there. So these are the
yeah.
ones that they make from the old molds.
Right.
And then they sign them.
Right.
So that is all I think, except over the kitchen. I guess we have to go this way now.
Hold on.
All righty.
Hold on, girl.
So see the cranberries?
Yep.
Those I have out every year, and then I just leave them dry and I fluff them.
Yeah. Yep.
And then you can just reuse them.
Perfect. Perfect.
Just natural stuff. Again, now I'm
killing
really
me.
noticing
Yeah.
the blues and the oranges.
I know it. They're everywhere.
Yeah,
I
they
mean,
are.
really, this
See, that's
sponge
why
wear
I need
is
you
blues
guys
and
to come in
oranges.
and look at it with a new
I
eye.
know.
Because I don't see it.
I know now.
necessarily.
Oh, over here. So
So this I bought, someone made it.
Okay,
It's,
yeah.
Again, very simple. And I've actually made some for the store myself, with the corn husks and the burlap.
very simple.
Orange. This was something I did in painting class.
Isn't that adorable?
Primitive and fun,
Yeah,
primitive
that's
and
cute.
fun.
Yeah.
And then just a couple of wreaths over that side and a pumpkin. Very just simple. Nothing. Oh, you got to look over on top of the refrigerator. I'm sorry, I forgot.
Up on the refrigerator. Oh, more bittersweet.
Yeah. And that's a really nice bittersweet. Some of it's not so nice, but
Yeah.
that's why I
it's a
don't
nice
mind.
one.
I mean, if you put real bittersweet, that thing would be dropping those berries every
Well,
time
that's
you
the
looked at it.
problem.
I know.
I know.
I know.
I mean, my yard is full of real bittersweet, but I don't use it because it's a mess.
I know. It's a mess. You look at it the wrong way and it drops the
It
berries.
does. It does. We're just taking a scope here, guys, because this woman, you're killing me. You're killing me. Every time I think, okay, I have enough, then I come to your house.
Oh no! Don't tell Tom.
Oh, he'll have a fit. The other day, I'm like, okay, well, we're getting old now. We got to work on paying off our mortgage, which is not small because we've only lived there 7 years.
Exactly.
And I'm like, we got to do that. I don't need anything else. This is what I'm telling myself.
You don't need it, but it brings so much pleasure and joy.
I know, but if I don't have a house to put in it at the end.
I know. You need to become a vendor and sell. That's what happens.
Well,
because I love to buy, and I don't need to buy for myself. I just like to buy.
Right.
It's just like that thrill of the hunt, when you find something really good. Yeah.
Well, I could sell it on my website if
You could.
I could.
So this is our little display for later when we have our little snack.
Alice made me carnivore cheese.
I said, Ian, what can you eat that, and this is probably for me because I don't want to eat just
Alice,
cheese,
yes.
but we're good. Yeah. It's all good.
And you have stone fruit.
Oh, I love stone fruit.
Everyone's like, stone fruit, stone fruit, stone fruit.
Know.
What is that about?
It's made out of stone.
Yeah.
I don't know why, and it's expensive.
Yeah.
But you can still find pieces that are less expensive. I'm gonna need another bowl soon. Because if I look at this the wrong way, they fall out. But look at how colorful it is.
It's very pretty.
But I've noticed that certain things, are just real popular all of a sudden, and like maybe in 3 years, no one will
care. I know.
It's weird.
I know.
It's like
it is
everybody
weird.
jumps on the bandwagon, and the prices go up.
Yes.
So then you gotta, it's like supply and demand.
Yes.
So, but I do love it. There's something about it.
I love it.
And I've seen people that have big bowls, and it's
I know.
filled.
I know.
And it's like, why do you need that much fruit? You don't.
Why do we need anything? Why do you need that many butter pats, Alice?
I don't, because they look pretty in that thing.
They look pretty in that thing. They do.
They do. And I wanted, to just be like, draw your eye in.
Yeah.
And that piece that they're in, I got from Nancy Lindbergh a number of years ago when she had her shop.
Oh, they're just beautiful. Oh, you're killing me. You're killing me.
We can take a short break if you would like, and I can show you some new things.
All right.
And there's always a story that goes with them.
To be continued.